Hi and welcome to my 2-minute tips for the best life. I'm Coach Marta. This video teaches you how to create belonging. All on your own. Belonging is the biggest industry in the world. We humans will go into greatest lengths and give up almost anything to feel belonging. We get liposuctions, designer purses, and homes in the Hamptons because we assume that it all will help us feel connected to others. Luckily, this is not how it works. Fortunately for most of us, money is terrible at creating belonging. And good news is that other people are also not necessary. Who is great, however, at creating belonging for ourselves is ourselves. To belong is to feel connected. We think that we belong in a group when we speak like them, look like them, or wear the same shoes. We try to belong by getting others to like us and accept us. And if they don't, we feel like we don't belong. However, the feeling of connection does not come from others. Nobody can give you this feeling. This feeling comes from inside of us when we deliberately choose to connect to self and the world. So how does one choose to belong? We create belonging by choosing thoughts that help us feel connected and by questioning the thoughts that make us feel disconnected. We create belonging by listening deeply to others and sharing vulnerably ourselves with them. We create connection by choosing to think of people that are with us as important, respecting them, and loving them. Observe yourself in social situations. What scripts stand in your way of connecting? What are your nagging thoughts about not belonging? Instead of diving into these thoughts and believing they are reality, decide to think other thoughts. Decide that you belong to groups and communities you're part of. Choose to think that you're relevant, important, and respect yourself as a vital part of that community. It will save you a lot of suffering and also possibly a lot of money. If you find my tips helpful, I invite you to put them into practice. Insight is 20%, while practice creates 80% of your success. And if you'd like some help creating a feeling of belonging in your life, consider participating in my group coaching program, Mental Fitness, where among other things, we talk about how to create belonging. And we practice creating belonging in the group. Meanwhile, go and get out there, create some belonging, let me know how it went, and I'll see you in the next video.